to Kwadwo Safo School of Arts and Sciences, Greater SAS, the center of excellence, where discipline, morality, together with integrity is our hallmark. Journey with me to introduce you to the various courses and facilities. Greater SAS offers general arts, science, technical courses with options in auto mechanics, applied electricity, and building construction. We also offer business, home economics, visual arts, and the introduction of agricultural science, spiced with the organic farming innovations of the proprietor, Apostle Professor Emeritus Kwadwo Safo. Greater SAS has spacious classrooms, boarding facilities, and tight security to ensure safety of humans and property. To enhance learning, we have the ICT laboratory and a well-stocked library. We also encourage extracurricular activities such as sports, drama and debaters club, music with options in live band or brass band, science and technology club, entrepreneurship hub, just to mention a few. These and many more are the reasons why you should make Kwadwo Safo School of Arts and Sciences your preferred senior high school in Ghana. Locate us at Awoshi Last Stop in the Ghana Central Municipality of Accra, Ghana. Dream it, we make it a reality. Greater SAS or Brimpoma.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kwadwo Safo. Today I'm going to share with you 10 online courses that Harvard University offer to anybody across the globe. 10 online courses that anybody, irrespective of your level of education, be it senior high school or a graduate from any tertiary institution, can offer. Harvard University is one of the prestigious universities not only in the United States of America, but a prestigious university across the globe. So, of course, anybody in this country, if given the opportunity to study at the University of Harvard or Harvard University, would never take it lightly. Nobody is going to joke with that opportunity. But it is not everybody that is going to have that kind of opportunity. So, they have these online courses that anybody, anywhere, irrespective of your level of education, can apply for these courses. So I'll be reading or I'll be sharing these courses with you. I will let you know what these courses comes with. And the ones that we are interested in, we just click on the link and we are good to go. So it cut across business, it cut across those of us who are interested in social sciences courses, that is leadership. It cuts across those of us interested in computer science and its related courses. So the very first course that the University of Harvard or Harvard University is offering anybody online is using Python for research. For the inexperienced, Python is a very popular programming language used to create desktop GUI applications, websites and web applications as well. This course is going to help anybody understand how Python 3 specifically, can be used for research purposes on the World Wide Web. That is www. So anybody who don't know the full meaning of www is World Wide Web. Now for this course, the duration is 5 weeks. So anybody who wishes to apply for this course, the duration is 5 weeks. That is exactly what you're seeing on the screen. 5 weeks. And the time commitment, that is 4 to 8 weeks. 4 to 8 hours per week, 4 to 8 hours per week. So the duration is 5 weeks, and that 5 weeks you have to commit about 4 to 5 hours of your life or of your time within every week for this particular program. The next one, this one is for those of us who read courses related to business, or those of us who are interested in entering the business world. Entrepreneurship in emerging economies. This is another online course that you can decide to undertake. Entrepreneurship in emerging economies. This is a business and management course taught by a professor of Harvard Business School professor. It is a comprehensive approach taken to comprehend and resolve intricate social or societal issues. Participants will study previous endeavors to tackle these issues, pinpoint potential areas for innovative entrepreneurial inventive solutions, So the course emphasizes the role of individual action in addressing specific problems, and all these specific problems deals with the business world. So this course is purposely for students who are interested in entering the business world, or people who are interested in business. So duration for this particular program is 6 weeks. Time commitment is 3 to 5 hours per week. So every week you are supposed to commit 3 to 5 hours of your time for this particular program. And the third one is CS50's Introduction to Game Development. My people in the computer science industry, those of us who are interested in computer science, data analysis and everything, this particular course or online course from Harvard University is for you. Through this course, you will delve into the implementation of video games by studying the design of iconic games such as Super Mario Bros., Pong, Flappy Bird, Breakout, what have you. By the conclusion of the course, you will have developed several of your games and acquired a comprehensive understanding of the fundamentals of game design and development. Remember, for this particular course as well, the online or the duration is 12 weeks, and every week you are supposed to be ready to commit about 6 to 9 hours per week. I repeat, 6 to 9 hours per week. Every week you are going to commit 6 to 9 hours per week. Then the fourth one is for those of us reading law. So my lawyers, those of us who are going to represent us, our future voice of the voice for the voiceless, hope for the hopeless. My future lawyers, this course is a version of Harvard University's CS50 for lawyers and law students. Unlike CS50, which focuses on low-level concepts, this course focuses on high-level concepts and design decisions, helping students understand the legal impact of clients' technological choices. So, anybody who wishes to undertake this particular program should understand that this course combines technical teaching and case study discussions to help students actively participate in technology related discussions. It also helps them develop technology informed legal arguments and opinions. So my law student, this is for you. Additionally, students can gain practical experience using Python and SQL to analyze data independently. Duration for this particular program is 10 weeks, and you are to willingly commit 3 to 6 hours per week. Every week you are supposed to commit 3 hours to 6 hours of your time for this particular course. We are moving on to the fifth online course offered by Harvard University, and that is CS50's mobile app development with React Native. This is also for my people who are willing to go into the IT world, the tech world. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of creating a mobile app using React Native, a widely used framework supported by Facebook. You will engage in practical projects to build an app with React, gaining insight into its principles, app structure, and user interfaces. The course concludes with a final project where you will have the opportunity to develop your app on the platform. Duration, because we live in an IT world, or we live in a tech world, duration for this program is 13 weeks. Time commitment, anybody who is interested in applying for this particular course, you are going to have to commit 6 to 9 hours per week. Now, before I move on to the next 5 online courses offered by Harvard University, note that this particular episode is brought to you by, or we are being sponsored by, Breakman Services. Breakman Services is a company, or is a brick company that would do your estimates for you, will tile your building with bricks, make it very nice, exactly what you're seeing on your screen. These are some of their works that they've done. You can contact them on 0547462581. That is their public relations officer's number. You can contact him, speak to him, they will come on board and come and support you. You can also contact me to come and serve you as your master of ceremony for any program when it comes to engagements, weddings, any program. You can give me a call, exactly what you're seeing on your screen as well. Now let's move on to the next 5 online courses in addition to the previous 5 that I mentioned, offered by Harvard University. So the next one is Fat Chance, Probability from the Ground Up. This is also designed for beginners in probability or those looking for a refresher before taking a college level statistics course. Fat Chance focuses on developing a mathematical mindset rather than memorizing formulas. So this is for my people who are in the College of Science or people interested in mathematics. This course uses visual lessons and guided practice to delve into quantitative reasoning behind probability, connecting it to the fundamental principles of counting and the cumulative nature of mathematics. Duration for this course is 7 weeks. Time commitment is 3 to 5 hours per week. The next one is for those of us still interested or those of us in the science-related field. Principles of Biochemistry. This course is a course offered by Harvard University. Principles of Biochemistry. This course is an introduction to biochemistry. It focuses on the study of the chemical components of life and their functions. It also aims to enhance problem solving and analytical skills that can be applied across various areas of life sciences. So, my people at the College of Science, my people reading any science related course or who are interested, people who are interested in science related courses, this is an opportunity for you to read a science related course online, free of charge. Nobody is going to take any money from you. You are supposed to just commit yourself to this particular course. Duration for this course is 15 weeks. Time commitment is 4 to 6 hours. 4 to 6 hours per week for 15 weeks. No, kindly note this for me. The next one, if I should undertake any course, this would be the course that I'll be very much interested in. What is that? Public Leadership Credential. I repeat, Public Leadership Credential. The Public Leadership Credential from Harvard Kennedy School is designed for professionals with a bachelor's degree and at least 5 years of experience, as well as a dedication to public service. So those of us who would one day want to become, leaders like Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. I don't know if some of us would want to become leaders like Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Those of us who are interested in cheddar or being like cheddar, any leader that you admire a lot. It can be the president of the United States, Joe Biden. Anybody, this course is for you. It doesn't have to be those of us interested in politics alone. You can be, the leader of an organization, an institution, an entity, like anything. So if you're interested in social sciences courses, this is a course that is being offered by the university or Harvard Kennedy School. Participants should be prepared to dedicate their time to reading. So you can't be reading this course and decide not to read, or you can't decide to undertake this course and be someone who is very lazy when it comes to reading. You have to be prepared in engaging with multimedia materials, participating in group activities and discussions, and also completing interactive assignments. You'll be given assignments a lot, so be ready for this particular course. Remember, duration is 6 weeks. 6 weeks intensive, leadership course that you are going to take, and time management or time duration is 10 to 12 hours per week. Because this particular course is a course that deals with leadership, deals with people, leading people, okay? It is 10 to 12 hours per week. So every day you are supposed to commit about 2 hours or 2.5 hours of your time to this particular course. The next one, which is the 9th course that I'll be talking about, is CS50's Understanding Technology. This is CS50's an introduction to technology, which is tailored for individuals who may not currently identify as computer persons. So you are someone who is not in the computer industry or the IT industry, but you are interested in being in the IT industry. It is designed for those who interact with technology regularly but lack a deep understanding of its inner workings or how to troubleshoot issues effectively. Now, the course aims to bridge these knowledge gaps, empowering participants to use and troubleshoot technology more effectively. It covers topics such as hardware, the internet, multimedia, security, programming, and web development, providing a comprehensive foundation for today's technology and preparing students for future advancements. So this is for those of us who are interested in IT but lack knowledge when it comes to IT. You want to go into the IT world, make money, because today it is a world of information technology. So if you want to make money, this is a course for you, but you are a beginner, you lack the knowledge. Harvard University is giving you this opportunity. Make sure you grab it. Duration 6 weeks. Time management, self-paced. That is this one. You are going to pace yourself. You are going to decide as to when or as to what time you would want to undertake the courses. That is absolutely up to you. Remember, okay, before I say this, let me move on to the 10th one. Then I'll tell you what I'm supposed to say and what I want to let you know. CS50 is web programming with Python and JavaScript. Hey, ICT for you, and I say IT for you guys. You have a lot of courses, or we have a lot of courses for you. So the course covers a range of topics, including database design, scalability, security, and user experience. So through practical projects, you will gain proficiency in writing and utilizing APIs, developing interactive user interfaces, and utilizing cloud services such as GIT Hub or GitHub and Heroku. I honestly don't know GT or is it GitHub or GIT Hub and Heroku? I don't know, because I'm not in the information technology industry, or I didn't do any program or course related to that. But this is for you. By the conclusion of the course, you will have acquired knowledge and hands-on experience in principles, programming languages, and tools necessary for designing and deploying web applications. Duration 12 weeks. Time management 6 to 9 hours per week. 6 to 9 hours per week. So yeah, these are the 10 courses that are being offered. Okay, 10 courses offered by the Harvard University or Harvard Kennedy School. Please note this. All of the courses that I have mentioned, I'm going to leave a link in my description. Please remember, I'm going to leave a link in my description. So the one that you feel you are very much interested in, the one that you would want to, the course that you would want to undertake, you click on the link, and whatever procedure that you're supposed to go through, you go through. Everything that I'm giving to you is a solid information, and everything is accurate. If you are interested, click on the link that I've left in my description, and just go and undertake your course. Have a certificate online, because I undertook a course in leadership. Okay, I undertook a course in leadership. That is exactly what you're seeing on the screen. I undertook a course in leadership from Harvard Kennedy School, and it was a 3 months course. I had my certificate that on any day I can include in my CV. Let's beautify our CV so that this is a world of competition. This is an opportunity that most people wouldn't have, but you are having this from me. My name is Kwadwo Safo. Comment, like, share, and know that in my next 8 to 10 episode is all going to be about letting you know about some courses that we have online, getting visas from the United Kingdom, Canada, and also showing you opportunities from various countries. I'll leave you here. Bye-bye.